intro this video. You could be big and brave.
Big and brave.
Do a big and brave intro.
How do I intro it?
You could do like big youth people go, welcome everybody.
Oh, I think I might have just lost my left eardrum.
Or you could do a very timid. Hi.
Hi everybody and welcome to another laning trip with Scott and Alana and a load of Freelander 2s and a Freelander 1.
Absolute superb. I think you nailed it.
That was perfect, wasn't
Yes.
it?
Today we are in.
Oh, there's a dog. Well, it's a stuffed...
There's a dog.
There was a stuffed dog hanging over that fence. I don't know if you could see that, but that looked kind of funny.
A little bit. We are in Marlborough.
Don't forget there's debris in that last puddle as we get to the end of here.
Round the Marlborough Downs we are.
Yep, that's clear. You can hear on the CB. We have, I think, let me see if I can get this right.
Oh.
We've got Phil, Michael, Carl, Claire, Andrew, us,
Tony, Steve, I believe Ben and Sam behind him.
Yeah, I think that's everyone that's on this trip. Nice big group, and this is not a Freelander 2 off-road group trip.
But
out. It's most people are from that group.
Oh my goodness gracious!
I forgot how rock and rolly it was. But yeah, we're just out because it's Phil's birthday coming out. So happy birthday, Phil! Happy 90th, 100th, 110th,
150th.
150th.
No, he's 21.
21.
That's the GoPro's gone blank. Is that right?
Yep, because the screen goes off.
Oh fuck! I just like to check. No, it's Phil. Cut the last bit out.
No, he's not.
No, he's not. He's not.
There's not.
It's Phil's 21st birthday coming up, so happy 21st, Phil.
Happy 21st, Phil.
Insert big thing here saying happy 21st birthday, Phil, with the picture of the cup, camera cup thing.
Just there.
Thank you, future Scott.
You're welcome from future Scott. Who says that I edit these? I thought you were going to edit them.
Oh yeah, maybe I will.
But yeah, it's his birthday coming up, so yeah, we're all just getting together. Lovely day, lovely weather hopefully, and some nice gentle lanes. Which should be
These don't feel very gentle right now.
Do they not?
These feel a bit rocky. Then it gets still better for the roads around Darwin.
Yeah, maybe you took the wrong turn in.
Maybe.
And I've got the window open because Alana suffers from hay fever, and I'm just the greatest partner in the world. I just like to bring the hay fever in the car. so she suddenly runs out of voice, or you hear her sniffling away.
Yeah.
And I've got a covered arm already.
Have you actually?
Yep.
Hey. Have you got any McDonald's napkins?
Yeah.
You actually haven't, have you?
No. Sad times.
Oh, look how flooded that field is. Flooded.
That be quite be flooded. I don't think you'll let me get away with what I'm doing.
What do you want?
No, I just mean I can't get away with having your phone out the window.
Oh, see. I thought you were looking for something.
No.
I was going to say, I've got a cloth in this door if it helps. You do realise I've just like your arm now?
No, because I got it up in the air.
No, but when you are next in a puddle.
Right, ready? Oh, good splooshes. I'm so going to get soaked, but it's worth it.
Did you get it?
No, of course not.
Is your arm a bit damp?
No.
Get it out now.
Get it out.
Get it out.
Get it out.
You got a wet arm now?
No, it definitely don't stink either.
Does it actually?
Can you not smell it?
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Hot, mouldy water.
Do you want a cloth?
I'm all good. There'll only be a couple of splooshes, right?
Oh, I saw that one.
Oh dear.
GoPro's a bit covered.
Rapid wiping action. Go for a rear end booty shot.
A booty shot.
That's what I'm calling this one anyway.
The booty shot.
The rear end booty shot. Can we have a screen wipe when you're ready, madame?
Motorcycles coming out.
Was that okay?
That is more than okay. The viewers, thank you. All two of them.
I thought they would.
Do you think they're like cars?
Yeah.
All the cars.
Oh wow.
Oh wow.
That's still quite a sizable puddle.
Get ready for this, sploosh peoples.
Oh, don't put your arm out for this one.
Well, good.
of these puddles is only plastic, so don't worry too much about it.
I'm more getting concerned.
Phil, just remember that very last one along here who's got a lot of debris in it.
Why do we always get a knock when we go through that puddle?
It's good.
You hear that message about the drone, Phil? Okay.
All the splooshes, so many splooshes. We all go splooshy sploosh, splooshy sploosh. We go through the splooshes.
Oh look, there's a drone.
I see the drone.
the drone.
Bye. Ready for the sploosh?
I'm not going to make through them.
I don't know what it is about water, but water's not our friend.
Not entirely.
It's like whenever we seem to hit water, we seem to have a glitch every now and then. Yet rocks and everything, we're pretty much
Yeah.
fine.
Free by the clubhouse. Or if you can block someone in.
Yeah, I'll try and get up by the clubhouse because my knee is killing me.
Oh, good splooshes. Oh, the splooshes.
I love the drone.
Hiya! I see you.
Oh. I just like the fact we've unintentionally ended up leading a second small group.
Yes. I just realised I'm literally covered in God
Yeah.
knows what. Needs must and all that.
Exactly. Pull your arm in.
Yeah.
I don't know how deep that's actually going to be.
Close the window. We're going to turn submarine. If this don't pull it back off again, nothing will.
Yeah, exactly.
Like a professional.
Yeah. Sploosh. I want to hit splooshes like that faster, but at the same time, that's not sensible.
No.
I am sensible sometimes.
Only very rarely.
Yeah, not very often. Another big sploosh. Come
Go
on.
for the booty shot.
Hold on tight.
Hold on tight. Sploosh. Into sploosh. Enter round the sploosh. Ready?
I heard Claire say about debris in one of these, and I don't know which puddle it was she meant.
Yeah.
And I feel like I'd rather not chance too much if I can help it.